Welcome to Csharp.net Tutorials Part 14 Implicitly Typed Variables. Implicitly typed variables in C Sharp. It's a new feature added in Csharp.net 3.0 which allows declaring a value using var keyword. So this is completely new. The type of the variable is recognized depending upon the value we assign to the variable. So till now we are creating a variable with the type known type. Suppose if you want to declare a variable of type integer, you will say int space variable of your name of your variable, then equal to value, integer value. So you know that you are going to assign integer value, so that you are declaring integer data type. If you know that you are going to assign string value, you need to declare string type. If you don't know what is the value you are going to assign, then that is the situation where you block. Okay, if you don't know the value you need to assign to a variable, if you declare a integer variable in runtime, if you get a value something other than that declared type, our program will crash, right? So let's look at the clear example. Integer x, I declared a variable integer x. Now I will do database call to get some value. So I got the value from database. Now I need to assign it to my integer variable. If the value from database is integer, then it is fine. If we don't get the value from integer, if we got the value uh, string value from database, if we get that string value from database, then our C#.net will throw an exception like it's not valid type, because we declared a variable with integer but we are trying to assign string value. So that if you don't know what is the value you are going to assign from right side, then this is the situation we can use var keyword, where y equal to, you can assign anything here. So if you assign 100, y is a integer data type, where some y equal to, if you assign string value, then now y is a string data type. If you assign y equal to boolean, sorry, false, boolean, now y is a boolean data type. So if you don't know the value you are going to assign from right side, then declare that with var keyword. So var is a type, it will be defined at runtime when you are assigning value from right side. So var keyword will define the data type based on the value you are going to assign. That's it. The type of the variable is recognized depending upon the value we assign to the variable. Okay, let's look at small example. Suppose I will declare integer variable and I'll assign string value. This will throw error like what, cannot implicitly convert type string to integer, because this is string we are assigning but this is of type integer, this is not valid. But in case of var, where x equal to, I will assign string. Now what is the data type of this x? String, because we are assigning string value. Okay, now where y equal to 100, what is the type of y? Integer. Now where z equal to boolean, sorry, false. Now the type of z is false. If you want to check that, let's try console dot write line. How can we check the type? X dot get type, we already know this. Okay, here it is y. and then here it is Z. So let's look at the types. I'm running the program. See that first one is string, second one is integer, third one is boolean. Correct. So first one is string, second one is integer, third one is boolean. So based on the value you are going to assign from right side, okay, this will become that data type. This is implicitly typed variable. Okay, this is the feature introduced in .NET 3.0, C#.NET 3.0. Then how can we declare these values? Where x equal to 100, we already saw this. Then we cannot declare a variable here without assigning a value. We cannot declare a variable here without assigning a value. In case of predefined or fundamental data types, if you want to declare a variable first then assign value next, you can do that with predefined data types, but you cannot do that with implicitly typed variables like var. If you want to declare variable first then assign value next, it's not possible because it is unable to define the type now because there is no value assigning from right side. So but this is valid in case of integer y, because we already saying that this is integer type. So this is not possible in case of var. You must assign a value. If you want to use var keyword, you must assign a value. Okay, yep. Thanks for watching.